Our next question here is, new gardener here wanting to maximize my resources. I have a cat and a dog. Is it safe to compost their waste and use it in the garden?
Well, here's the USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, says that dog and cat waste composted can be used alternatively in soil such as lawn or non-edible landscaping. You don't want to use it in your garden because cats and dogs may carry pathogens and be harmful to humans. To humans. Composting it still needs to get to 135 to 170 degrees for multiple days consecutive for 7 days in order to kill those pathogens. And not all compost bins are created equal, and not all composting people are created equal. So getting that correct temperature for that duration may not be safe to do. But if you do feel that you want to compost your pet's waste, you can do that separately. And when that turns into soil, you can top dress it around your flowers, your rose bushes, cast it on your lawn, but do not put it in your containers or your edible or your landscape or your garden where you have edible plants at. Now, if you want to go down the very deep and curvy rabbit hole of composting, there are certain people who compost their own waste and utilize it in their garden. Now, you think that's kind of gross, but it's no different than a cow. We see a cow, we feed a cow grain and grasses, kicks it out the back end, we let it wait for a while, assuming that it's not been sprayed with a persistent herbicide that will kill your broadleaf plants. And it turns into soil, we put it in the garden, we don't think anything of it. Chicken manure, goat manure, fill in the blank manure, properly aged. But the people waste compost, we consume so much toxins that the overall consensus of it is it's not safe for us to use our own waste in our garden because of the prescriptions, because of just the food that we eat, the processed food. It's not going to be a healthy thing for our soil.
Absolutely.
But that's why they have composting toilets. Right. And that's a thing, and it's what it is. So there you go.